Welcome to day one. So glad to have you. Friends, we are responsible too, but not for our children. This is a critical distinction. As parents, certainly we have many responsibilities to our children. We are responsible to provide them shelter, food, safety, instruction, correction, love, and so on. But we cross a boundary when we make ourselves responsible for them. We have now to set ourselves to like fixing the problem, protect, rescue, and controlling their behavior and emotion. Here the pitfall happens. So this is losing battle, and this not only violates the principle of personal responsibility, but it causes us untold worry and anguish. Notice the difference in how we parent when we are clear about our responsibility to rather for. If we feel responsible for my children, I fix, solve, protect, rescue, and control. Feel tired, worried, fearful, unappreciated. Expect them to live up to my expectation. Manipulate them to make sure things turn out right. If I feel responsible to my children, I listen, encourage, support, love, feel relaxed. I trust. I am confident. I appreciate them. Trust them to live up to their own expectations, and I am concerned with enjoying our relationship. By being responsible for, we rob our child of their own responsibility and steal from them growth and opportunity of great value. By being responsible, we help them they become independent. They carry their own age appropriate responsibilities and solve their problems on their own, and they make all choices. This is the biggest thing. So this faith, this all, we need to focus less on the children, more on our assumptions, our emotional patterns, and our reactions. Our children are responsible for themselves. Individual responsibility is a fundamental principle of life. Our children is not ours. They belong to themselves, and ultimately they must be accountable for themselves. We can just teach them. We can't, however, control them like a remote. They own their lives. They have their own choices. And yet I speak from my experience when I say it is really easy to violate the principle of individual responsibility by over controlling our children, because this is our pattern. Because we want to make choices for our children. So we lecture them, criticize them, shame them, manipulate them, not making anybody wrong. We overprotect them, we rescue them, and we do all kind of tactics which actually does not work. We use them because we care, we say so. But we impose control rather than building responsibility from within, and for them we often breed dependency, and this is like preventing the child from developing. So I hope you got the parenting, the meaning of day one, and now you would be parenting, nurturing the child, like providing educare, like nurturing with the care, with the education, and the child partnering you both being partners in co-parenting, like each of you is developing with each other.